Umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu eGauteng unamahostela ayisithupha kanti njengamanje ulungisa amahostela amahlanu. Elesithupha seqoke usonkontileka ozolungisa. Lapha-ke kulungiswa ingqalasizinda yawo kanye nezakhiwo nje uqobo.
These hostels are really old. They are overcrowded. They have been built for a particular purpose, and over time, that purpose has really evolved. So we have a responsibility, not only because we own them, but also just from a human rights perspective and dignity, like you said, to be able to do restorative repairs. In some of the hostels, the work is quite extensive.
Uhlelo lokulungiswa kwamahostela luzodla imali engu-500 billion wamarandi.
Everything is done here. The stormwater is done. Also the facade is also done on this side.
uMandoza Hlongwane usehlale kuleli hostela iminyaka ecela ema-20 uthi isimo besisibi kakhulu.
Ugesi lana bo usihambela ngaso sonke isikhathi usinqamukela. Ngalesikhathi usinqamukela zona induna izona kade zicoordinate ukuthi abantu abahlanganisa imali kutholakala umuntu ozolungisa ngoba bengasaservice sidala amahostela. Amanzi ke angikhuluma indaba yawo bekuze kuzange kuhlanganise lelo pipe ukuthi kuzotholakala amanzi.
Kodwa uHlongwane uthi kumthathe isikhathi uhulumeni ukubafezekise izethembiso azenza ngamahostela.
I think the hostel community has over time seen the benefit from having a family unit, but also just decent living spaces that they own. And the city of Joburg has taken a hostel redevelopment strategy to council. They've approved that strategy. That's going to see the rollout of a lot of redevelopment in hostel spaces.
Idolobha laseGoli liyise emkhandlwini uhlelo lokulungiswa kwamahostela seGauteng. Umkhandlu waluvuma. Idolobha libekele eceleni imali engu-10 billion wamarandi ukuqhuba lolu hlelo. Kepha umbuzo uthi izophuma phi le mali?
The hostels are strategically located in prime lands, so the public-private partnership will be explored, and part of the things that we are saying in the strategy is that we'll have to get master developers, will engage with financial institutions so that they are able to assist us.
Eceleni nje kwehostela lase-George Gore kunenye ingxenye yehostela eyagcina ngokulungiswa kepha ilaxaziwe.
That hostel was developed, I would say, as part of the hostel redevelopment. It was never occupied because it was never completed and never occupied because the hostel community didn't want to.
Umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu eGauteng uhlela ukufaka abahlali kuleli hostela. Bese ke uyibhidliza yonke iGeorge Gore uyakhe kabusha uphinde ke ubabuyisele khona.